Here is a detailed breakdown of its pros, cons, special features, and overall conclusion of the Ulefone Armor 34, a rugged smartphone with some unique and powerful features. For pros, incredible battery life. The 25,500 mAh battery is a game changer, offering exceptional endurance for extended use in the field. Extremely durable, with IP68/IP69K and MIL/STD 810H ratings. This phone can handle almost any harsh environment. Unique features: the built-in projector, powerful camping light, and night vision camera are truly special and useful for specific users, e.g., campers, field workers, adventurers. Solid performance. The MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset combined with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage provides a powerful and responsive user experience. Large, smooth display. The 6.95-inch FHD plus 120Hz display is a high-quality screen for a rugged phone, offering smooth visuals. And for cons, extremely heavy and bulky. Weighing 763 grams and having a depth of over 3 centimeters. This phone is not practical for everyday use. It's more of a specialized tool. Projector resolution. While a great feature, the 480p resolution of the projector is low for a modern device. Questionable software support. As is common with some smaller manufacturers, software updates and long-term support are not guaranteed. Low-quality audio. The speakers are not of the highest quality, and their placement on the back can make the sound muffled. Charging time. Despite 66W fast charging, the massive battery still takes several hours to fully charge. 4 special features. Built-in projector. A highlight of this phone, it features a DLP projector with a 150 lumen output. It has autofocus, manual vertical keystone correction, and can project visuals up to 100 inches. Massive LED camping light. Located on the back, this is a powerful light with 585 LEDs, a maximum brightness of 1,100 lumens, and a power output of 6.5 W. It has multiple modes including SOS and adjustable brightness. Warning light. A dedicated red/blue warning light with simulated emergency sounds, police car, ambulance, etc. Night vision camera. The 64MP night vision camera with infrared LEDs allows for clear photography and videography in complete darkness. Huge battery. The 25,500 mAh battery is one of the largest on the market, providing multi-day usage without needing to charge. It also functions as a power bank with its reverse charging capability. Dual cooling fans to manage heat, especially when using the projector. The phone includes a dual fan cooling system. 4 overall conclusion. The Ulefone Armor 34 is not a phone for the average consumer. It is a highly specialized, ultra-rugged device designed for specific use cases like outdoor adventures, professional field work, or as a tool for presentations in non-traditional settings. Its standout features, the colossal battery, built-in projector, and powerful camping light, make it a versatile and dependable tool in extreme conditions. However, its impractical size and weight, coupled with potential concerns about long-term software support and some lower resolution features like the projector, mean it won't be a daily driver for most people. If you are a professional or adventurer who needs a device that can survive anything and offers unique, powerful tools that are not available on standard smartphones, the Ulefone Armor 34 is a compelling and valuable option.